Hello. I am pleased to welcome you to the second lesson on the Mechanica Module. It will consist of 3 parts, in which we will cover commands related to designing and editing shafts, as well as adding standard elements from the database. For better understanding of the material, I recommend following the demonstrated steps along with me. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. In the first part, we will look at the command for creating shaft sections. It is located in the Mechanica tab, in the Design group. We will start the command for creating a shaft section by clicking on its icon. I will now cancel the command by pressing Escape to show that the command can also be invoked by entering MC_arbor in the command line and either pressing Enter or selecting the appropriate command from the drop-down list. A dialog box will open, and the command line will display the message Select Insertion Point. Specify the starting insertion point of the shaft by entering coordinates in the command line 0, 0 and press Enter. The insertion point can also be specified by clicking on the desired points in the model space. We can change the shaft parameters either by moving the cursor in the graphics area or by entering the desired values in the shaft parameters window. Set the shaft diameter to 60 and the length to 10. You can navigate between value fields using the up and down keyboard buttons. This is convenient when entering values using the numeric keypad. Press the next button or double press Enter. After this, the command for constructing shaft sections will be resumed. The starting insertion point of the next section will coincide with the end point of the previous one. Let's construct the second shaft section with a diameter of 40, length 50. This time, let's set the required dimensions with the cursor and confirm the creation by clicking the left mouse button in the model space. In the Shaft Parameters selection menu, we can also change the type of the shaft section being created. To do this, click on the icon next to the word Shaft. A drop-down list will appear, from which we can select the required type of section. Let's select a conical shaft end as per DIN 1448. By moving the cursor, let's set the nominal diameter of the standard tapered end of the shaft so that it is equal to the diameter of the previous section. For this, we must have Object Snap enabled. Click on the external contour of the shaft. The shaft construction command is completed. The axial line is drawn automatically.